Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. ASML, the company who prepares the chip for the world, they are also extending their footprints towards chip packaging. This is a big news, and as you know that ASML is a Dutch company, the company in the Netherlands, in Europe, who provides the chip manufacturing machine to all the chip manufacturers. You name it, Intel from US, Intel Foundry, they also buy a machine from this ASML, then TSMC in Taiwan, and then Samsung in South Korea. All these three top level and big companies who manufacture chip, they buy this chip manufacturing machine from Netherlands. And only these machines are very heavy machines, and it cost a lot. It cost around $400 million per machine, and only they can manufacture maybe 3-4 machines in a year. So they are expanding their footprints towards chip packaging. Why it is required? Because they spend, grow by just creating those machines. Over a decade they have been growing, but why they are making these changes? There are two reasons behind it. First of all, they find there are some competition moving on in next 5 years or 10 years. There are competition coming up in US. There are a couple of companies who are also working on building the chip manufacturing machines. They already got fund from the venture capitalists, and they're doing some continuous progress on it. And on the other hand, China is also working on making the chip manufacturing machines. So these are the competition they are seeing for next 5 years at least. Second thing is basically they want to expand their footprint, because today, if you call about artificial intelligence chips and all those data center chips, they are not necessarily working on a two-dimensional chip, but they are expanding towards the chip packaging also. Because it has been felt that if you keep the memory far apart from the processor, there is some delay happening, and that is causing some issues in the artificial intelligence chips, especially in the data center chips. So what you need to do, you need to do a three-dimensional chip. That means cascading chips, cascading your memory and processor on the same 2D shape and making a vertical connection. This is one. Another thing is basically there are chiplets where you can have memory and your processor and your IOs in a small chip, and you can put it in a same two-dimensional structure. This is called chiplets architecture. So if ASML need to work on artificial intelligence, if ASML need to work on data center chips, they have to move forward. They have to move to chip packaging. Now we all know that chip packaging is a part of final stage of chip manufacturing. So lithography is a main process of chip manufacturing, but chip packaging, which is coming towards the final stage of chip manufacturing, this has already become a very important factor. So what they are doing, ASML doing some smart job, and they are moving their footprints away from making the lithographic machines. I think whatever I try to make you convey, this is the thing. And let me know that what do you think about this. And in the meantime, I will try to prepare more such engaging videos. And that's it for today. Wait for my next video to come. Till then, Subhasish Chakraborti signing off.